Welcome to JH. Let's talk about the Capital One 360 savings settlement and how you might actually get paid for their little oversight. Between 2019 and 2025, Capital One kept legacy account holders on a pathetic 0.3% interest rate while quietly launching a performance account paying 4.3%. Apparently, performance is just bank speak for the rate we give to people we actually like. Naturally, customers weren't thrilled about being ghosted on those gains. While Capital One insists they did absolutely nothing wrong, because banks are famous for their impeccable ethics, they've graciously agreed to a $425 million settlement to make the lawyers go away. If you had a 360 savings account between September 18, 2019 and June 16, 2025, congratulations, you're officially part of the class action. You could get the difference between that measly pocket change you earned and the actual interest you deserved. Plus, if you still have the account, your future rate will be at least twice the national average. It only took a massive lawsuit to get them to be slightly above mediocre. To get your hands on the cash, head over to Capital1360savingsaccountlitigation.com and file by October 2, 2025. You'll need that 10-character ID and PIN from the notice they sent you. Assuming you didn't throw it in the trash thinking it was just another pre-approved credit card offer. If you didn't get one, just contact the settlement administrator and try to sound disappointed. Don't expect a check tomorrow, though. The court needs to give the final nod, and we all know how fast the legal system moves. If everything goes smoothly, payments should start in early 2026. Yes, this is real, and yes, it's court-approved. If you fit the criteria, go get your fair share before the deadline passes. It's basically found money, which is the best kind of money when it's coming back from a bank.